In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track website traffic using Google Analytics. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to keep tabs on your website's performance and understand how users interact with your content. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or just curious about your website's stats, this tutorial is for you. First, let's head over to Google. Open up your preferred web browser and type Google into the search bar. When the search page loads, you'll want to look out for the sign in button, usually found at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already signed into a Google account, you might be directed directly to the Google homepage. Next up, you'll need to choose the Google account you intend to use with Google Analytics. Select your account from the list that appears or enter your email and password if you don't see it there. Once you've logged into your Google account, you're ready to move on to the next step. This is a crucial part, as Google Analytics will be tied to the account you're currently signed into. Now let's navigate to the Google Apps menu, located in the top right corner as a grid icon. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu containing different Google services and applications. You'll want to scroll through until you find the Google Analytics option and click on it. This will take you directly to the Google Analytics dashboard. Once you're on the Google Analytics page, the next thing to do is click Next. Depending on the version of analytics you are using or the setup of your account, you might see a few options here. Don't worry, simply click Next to proceed through any settings or verification prompts. After this, return to the top right and click on the Google Apps grid icon again. Select Google Analytics if you haven't done so already. Now that you're in the analytics space, you want to focus on getting those sweet, detailed insights. Within Google's Analytics interface, you'll see a host of different data options. Don't be overwhelmed though. Look for the Reports section. Clicking on this will open up different categories of reports you can choose from. To monitor real-time website traffic, click on Real-Time, which should be conveniently located on the left-hand sidebar. Finally, within the real-time overview, you'll be able to see and monitor your website traffic as it happens. This encompasses everything from the current number of users on your site, the pages they're engaging with, to the geographical locations of your visitors. It's a powerful way to gain insight into your website's reach and how your online audience is behaving. And there you have it. You can now efficiently track your website traffic using Google Analytics. Keep on exploring those analytics reports to glean even more valuable insights about your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy tracking. Remember, understanding your audience's behavior is key to making informed decisions and improving your website's overall strategy.